Hello students, I am here to discuss about some magnifying instruments that we generally use in our laboratory. To know about the biology, these instruments are very essential because we need in biology to see the micro objects, micro body, micro entities, the structure internally or externally. So magnifying instruments is very essential, most essential tools in biological study. Today we will start with magnifying lens. Students, magnifying lens is very simple lens that is used to see the micro object that is not so tiny but smaller in nature, that can magnify 10 or 20 times greater than its structure. Actually, magnifying glass is nothing but a glass having a concave lens in it. Earlier, this was the tools only to magnify the micro objects. But nowadays, some other instruments are used that is called microscope. Have you heard about microscope? As it tells, microscope is an instrument or optical instrument that magnify the micro objects vivid or clearly to learn them well. Actually, in microscope there are lenses. On the basis of use of lenses in microscope, these are of different types. In our school, in our laboratory, we generally use these microscope. This is the simple microscope or dissecting microscope. This simple microscope having one nose piece, then a stage on which we keep the object, then there is a glass and base. But this can magnify the object only 10 times, 20 times or 40 times, not more. But the another most important tools or magnifying tools that we use generally in biology is the compound microscope or the lens microscope or light microscope. Though the microscopic invention is started with the discovery of Leeuwenhoek, though Robert Hooke in 1665 already used this, but that was so simple. So the microscopic journey starts with Leeuwenhoek. This microscope that we use nowadays in our schools, colleges are compound microscope, and this is compound microscope that is available in different form. This is a very simple microscope having most important things, that is the eyepiece having one lens that may be of 10x, 15x or 20x. Then it is fitted in a hollow tube. At the base there is a nose piece having three different types of lenses fitted in eyepiece or fitted in nose pieces. Then there is a stage. A stage is fitted with clip so that our objects may retain in proper places. Actually, slides are used here. Now there is a stage. Beneath the stage, glass stage, there is diaphragm that can control the light, and beneath that there is a mirror that focus on the object through diaphragm. Now beneath that there is a base, heavy base, and this base help the instrument or microscope to remain stable at the table. We use this microscope by catching their arm. There are some screw-like structure. One is called fine adjustment and another, that is bigger one, called a coarse adjustment. Now, student, there is another instrument that is used somewhere in higher study, that is electron microscope. This electron microscope was invented by the German scientist Noll and Ruska. This is the electronic microscope. In this microscope, we use the screen or like monitor wherefrom the images appears there. So this is very higher microscope, that is also called ultra microscope or electron microscope. In chemistry nowadays or also in biology we use another microscope, and that is called STM, tunnel scanning microscope, yeah, scanning tunnel microscope, by which we generally use to see the atom, the molecules. So these are some the basic instrument that is called magnifying instrument we use in our laboratory in our study period. Okay, thank you. So stay at home and remain safe.